So I think we better get this meeting started. But before we do, I have a couple of announcements. So everybody will just quiet down. Put a sock in it. Before I turn it over to the big boss, he's out of his office at the moment, but I have a couple of announcements. So next week is the company picnic, and we don't want any ugly repeats of last year's picnic. So here are the ground rules. No nudity.
But I'm always nude, Mom.
No firearms.
No.
Arms haven't been on fire in years.
And the bartender says last call. We just need to go with that.
Understood, man.
All right. And then I wanted to say that the biohazard team will be in to clean out the refrigerator. So if you've got any lasagna or any old things in there, get them out now.
That's mostly David's stuff.
I'm the janitor, so I would appreciate it if you would clean your stuff out. I really would.
Did I miss anything?
No, it's all right.
Yes, your brains, man.
We're just talking about the company picnic.
Oh, yeah, right. The company picnic.
That's right. So welcome to the meeting of Inert Gas Research staff meeting. I'm going to turn it over now to Mr. Ferney. He's going to tell us all about what the bright future of our company is like. Go ahead, Mr. Ferney. Take it away.
Yes, thank you very much. I'm glad you're all here with us. Who is here, by the way? Is it, looks like, yeah. Anyway, the future is bright. We're coming out of COVID, and I wish more people were here, but the economy is booming, and you can all help. Everybody's going to have a reduction of your wages, only temporarily, and some extra holiday this summer. But the company is doing great. As you can see, I'm in my corporate office here, and overlooking the city, and everything is fine. Just fine.
Okay.
I'm having trouble hearing David.
Sounds like he's in a well, man.
Yeah.
It's very far away.
So just to tag on to what Mr. Ferney said, pay no attention to the federal regulators rifling through our files at the moment.
What?
They're just, they're just doing a little bit of checking up, and it's nothing serious. The subpoenas, they don't really mean anything. And, we're fine. Our legal counsel says that, that sock puppets rarely spend much time in jail.
Ah, I don't have my green card, man. No.
So, Bob, have you been drinking again?
Yes, he has.
What? Who's that? Maybe just a little bit, because when I talk, my lips are not moving very well.
All right, well, we know what happened at the company picnic last year. You had just a little bit too much, and you lost your pants.
Well, okay, yeah, but I'm closed tonight.
All right, well, thank goodness for that. And
Bob drinks a lot.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah, I got one of those.
Oh, there's a glitch in the matrix, man. He looks like he's moving through dimensions.
He's muted. I don't know. He turn on your microphone there, Sean.
I feel like I'm in the Matrix here.
Yeah, you probably are when you get right down to it.
You look nothing like Keanu Reeves, man.
All right, let's go around and everybody give us a little something. We'll start off with Marianne. Go ahead, Marianne.
Well, I think that David's been out in the sun too long. I think that Bob, of course, is drinking too much. And I don't know about that muted guy down there. He's kind of wiggly. Sounds like he's trying to say something. And who's the dude? The dude. I've got to go learn something about dude because I am the gossip.
Zop and Zoom.
Psychedelic.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Well, we don't want to speak disparagingly about employees here at IGR. So I'm just, if you can't say anything nice, don't say anything at all. That's my philosophy.
Okay,
say it in private.
I'm gonna mute.
So I think the IT department has something to say to us all. Go ahead, IT department.
Hello, I am the new hired IT man, and I have no idea what my job entitles, but I will do my very best. I always give my 100%. What does IT stand for, man? Intimate technology? I don't know what I'm doing. I need instruction.
If you're having any troubles with your computer, just turn it off and then turn it back on again. That's what I tell anybody. Reboot.
Oh, iced tea. I love making iced tea. I would provide you guys with all the iced tea you can possibly drink. Yeah, man. Yeah. And I'll bring the brownies to the picnic.
He's doing some shopping while zooming.
Oh,
I love brownies.
Both kinds.
Special brownies.
Walnut and coconut. Yeah, man.
All right. Well, the annual report is coming out next week. So if you have anything you want in there, I wouldn't swear to any of it because you might get subpoenaed, but be sure and send it along and we'll consider putting it in.
And thank you, everybody, for coming to this meeting. I know we're all getting sick of Zoom meetings, but soon we can meet in person, at least some of us.
Well, who's been vaccinated? Have you all been vaccinated?
yeah.
Oh,
I've
yeah.
been vaccinated. Yes. 2
I
shots. in
had
2
rabies.
weeks.
I had my
What?
rabies shot this week.
You want to see my card? I'll show
Yeah.
you my card. I got it laminated.
All right. Well, I guess we'll see you at the Crabs game.
Oh no, I don't have crabs yet.
Crabs are delicious, man. They're tasty.
A puppet up in the air is tiring.
That's what do you think it's like for a puppet to have somebody's hand up their ass?
Ooh.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, said a bad word. He said a bad word.
He's only 2 foot tall, the length of your arm. All right, well, let's see. What can we do to wind this meeting up? Anything? Anybody have a suggestion?
I think we should all sing our way out, man.
The IGR company song.
Yes.
What is the company song?
You
It,
lead us.
the Arcada rap?
it's sung to the tune of Sweet Caroline. IGR. Da, da, da. Never felt so good.
Caroline.
To believe it never was.
Whoa.
I'll never play the piano again.
Well, I think we can safely say that this meeting is coming to an end. And I appreciate you all being here and all the efforts that you've made for IGR over the years. There'll be a little extra something in your envelope this week.
In my socks.
It won't be money, but it will be a coupon for a latte from Dutch Brothers.
Aloha.